Naimbag nga aldaw, siyak ni Cadet Lieutenant Shenley Juan Buyucan, agad po itiili ti Kasibu, Nueva Vizcaya. I am the 3rd Platoon Leader and Cadet Affairs Development Officer of Foxtrot Company. I am the rank 9 of the Sinaglawin class of 2025. Before entering in this institution, I have to give up a lot of things. My existing scholarship with the OST, my promising career in my former university, and my dream of being a medical doctor are just some of the things that I have to sacrifice. But then, as a daughter of a farmer and a teacher, I was raised to always find your happiness, your true happiness. Though I came from the mountains, I strongly believe that there is more for me. I believe that I deserve more, and that's when I met PNPA through a social media advertisement. I can say that I started from nothing, since my family is not engaged with law enforcement field of work. Back in 2021, during the application and processing, what I only have is my 10,000 allowance, my courage, and my prayer. I rented a van, left my home, and continued my journey to Marikina City for our final medical and dental phase, not knowing that I will never be going back home for the next 4 years of my life. At first, my name was not called in the list of those who will proceed to the final interview. That day was the most heartbreaking moment for me. I was on my phone crying and talking to my mama and sister, informing them that I will not be doing the final interview anymore because of some technicalities with my height waiver. However, deep inside, I firmly know that this career path is for me. So I cried and begged God. That's when someone from the PNPA administration called me up, informing me that I am one of the 23 additional applicants who will do the final interview. Prayer and guts, that is what I have. All along in my cadetship, I thought I was a strong woman who is gifted with a strong will. However, my will was challenged when one time I almost failed in my academics, as I was included in the removal list back when I was a 4th class cadet. I thought everything will be smooth, since I believe that I can do everything. But this moment of my cadetship made me realize that I am not a quitter. This made me realize that strong will must always be accorded with actions. And this realization lifted me up to where I am now, the rank 9 of our class. Being the top 9 was never in my plan, since what I only wanted is to exit the academy via graduation. However, by the grace of God, this rank was given to me. I owe all of this to my papa and mom, who was then surprised that I am preparing for my application. They are the most loving and supporting mama and papa that this world has to offer. They are my #1 fans in every stage na inakyat at nirampahan ko. From my school-based, regional, national, and even international research competitions that I never imagined I could join. My mama and papa are always behind my back. This recognition is also for my roots. Itiili, ti Ifugao, and Nueva Vizcaya. PNPA accepted me during the time when I was at my worst shape. Back then, my family is in a crisis, and I am forever grateful that this institution opened so many opportunities for me to fix and reshape my future. My law enforcement career is about to start, and I pray that I and all of my classmates will continue to prove that we are indeed a light that shines, a true Sinaglawin spirit.